Natin si Shian Ricky. Diretso na tayo ulit sa tanungan. Shian, of course, ang Karate Pilipinas is actually ongoing conducting ito mga iba't ibang mga sanction events like this one, MKKPI 9 Karate Do Championship, which is part of the Karate Pilipinas Grand Champion ranking. So, of course, the support niya ng MKKPI sa mga programs sa Karate Pilipinas is fruitful. Lalo na, of course, meron mga pinadala ng mga members na ng MKKPI na, of course, nakakabagsen niya sa mga international competitions. What can you say nga pala sa partnership with the organization?
Well, MKKPI has been a very solid partner with Karate Pilipinas, and they've been supporting us for the longest time since we started the federation. Madami tayong mga players na nanggagaling sa MKKI, nanggagaling not just in Metro Manila but also in the provinces. So they have been a big part of the federation's success.
Okay, so of course, tuloy-tuloy din naman yung Karate Pilipinas Grand Champion Ranking. Marami tayong mga nakalinya yung mga events sinanction ninyo na pagbabasehan niya ng kung sino yung best fighters natin at the year end. Meron pa yata sa Batangas, meron sa Cebu, sa Mindanao, marami pa rin.
Meron sa Tagaytay.
At of course sa Tagaytay, yung Begilias.
Begilias Cup.
Begilias Cup, which is happening sa August, dun sa bagong bukas na velodrome na
Tagaytay City Velodrome.
yan yung ibubuksan bukas ni Mayor Bumble Tolentino. So, yung national rankings naman, ito yung de-determine talaga sino yung mga top best fighters natin na maybe someday baka pwede nating maisabak o puli sa national pool.
Yes, you are right. No? So, each sanction event has corresponding points for every win that they will get in each tournament. So, at the end of the year, kinokollect namin yung mga number points nila, and then eventually declaring the Grand Champion of Karate Philippines of the year.
Ayun.
So, ganun. Depends on the category, of course.
At good luck na lang sa mga competing fighters and their clubs with paglalabanan niya from all over the country to determine nga kung sino yung mapipili natin dito. Anyway, I like to get the reaction nga pala dun sa 1 gold, 1 silver, and 11 bronze medal win of our national team dyan po sa Southeast Asian Karate Federation Championship sa Brunei. Kahit pa paano, nakapag-ambag pa rin tayo ng mga medalya doon. Of course, ang biggest star ng ating national team na nanalo doon ng gold was si AC Pamaybay. Siguro ang inyong sentiments nga pala dito sa ating win, and of course, nakita naman natin mga seniors, juniors, cadets na nagpasiklab nga all throughout this competition. Yung nagpamahal sila ng galing sa Southeast Asian level. Ano masasabi nyo?
All I can say is that we sent a big team. Well, actually, hindi pa kami yung pinakamalaki. So, madami pa mas malaki sa amin. But we sent a big team this time. We won 1 gold, 1 silver, and 11 bronzes. So I'm happy with that because we sent most of the players that we sent there are first timers. And then the seniors team, we sent the team B. So it's an assessment of what is going to happen for the SEA Games. And our team A will be going to China tomorrow for the training camp. So hindi sila yung naglaro sa Brunei.
This is actually comprised of the current elite pool, no?
Yes, yes.
Both Kumite and yung Kata.
Yes.
Pero yung ibang mga galing sa Brunei, lilipat din ng China.
Hindi.
Okay.
Iba to, iba. Ibang grupo rin to. Yung pupunta ng China, yun yung team A natin.
Okay, so Team A natin.
So yun, pinalaro doon ng Indonesia, Malaysia, Brunei, lahat yun puro team A.
And of course, considering nga itong training camp na China, would be a very great experience na rin for the Team A.
Correct.
And para dito sa mga paparating ng competitions like of course the Southeast Asian Games and the others na nakalinyad for this year. Are you optimistic nga pala for the rest of the year para sa ating national team?
Very optimistic with the coming championships that will be happening this year. Of course, we're looking forward to the World Championships in Egypt, Cairo this year, and then we have the SEA Games, we have the Junior Youth League as well, no? And then of course next year we're preparing for the World Youth League, which will be happening in Manila. We are hosting, so we look forward to that.
Lastly, na-announce kanina doon sa inyong PA na of course ang Batang Pinoy would be open na not just for the 12 to 17 but 10 to 12 pa lang. So far, kayo pa lang yung mga pinayagan ng PSC na makapag magkaroon ng ganitong age category yung 10 to 12. Kasi last year medyo questionable yung hindi pa kakasama ng mga
Wala yung ano eh.
Wala yung mga-
Wala yung 11 under.
oo.
Last year, oh.
Dahil of course
So
alam
we were able to justify why we should put the 10-11 category in karate because again, this is Batang Pinoy, so we should consider the kids.
But considering nga sa pagkakasama nga ng 10 to 11 sa Batang Pinoy dyan sa JEDSA this October, would you see na mas marami pa mga participants ang mag-eengganyo na sumali, lalo na bumalik na yung mga mas batang age categories natin?
Definitely. I'm really looking forward to that. And every time we have a national championships, the 10 to 11 normally is the biggest category. We have about 90 players competing all in that age category alone. So ganun kadami ang contribution ng pwede natin makita ang athlete that will be developed in the future as a member of the national team.
Okay, Shian Wiki, baka may gusto ko yung pasalamatan sa lahat ng mga clubs natin. Of course, sa MKKPI and of course, sa ating national team natin.
Well, first and foremost, I would like to say thank you, Bob, for being here.
Kahit may UTI.
For supporting us. At dyan ka lagi. Maraming salamat sa iyo. Of course, we would like to thank all the members of the Karate Pilipinas who supported here. We have about 1,300 entries here. And then to all the parents that are here supporting their children, without you, this is nothing. Kailangan natin supportan ang mga magulang. To support their children in their path to success in the field of karate.
And of course sa MKKPI and of course sa ating PSC, POC na
Yes,
sumusuporta sa ating national team. Lalo na nung nakaraang Cup, 1 gold, 1 silver, 11 bronze medals. Even kapag courtesy call pa doon sa ambassador nga ng Brunei to show nga na support niya dito sa ating competition.
Yes.
And we definitely looking forward nga sa mga susunod pang gagawin ng KP with regards sa SEA Games and other international competition. And
Thank you
punta tayo sa Tagaytay sa August. no?
Yes.
Para may cover
I'll see you
natin.
there, Gab.
Nakita tayo doon and see you soon again.
Thank you very much.